Hi there, I'm really excited. This is the moment we finally have been waiting for. And if you've seen part one, which was a bit of the teaser, I haven't actually opened the box since then. It's been really hard, but you know what? While I was writing the book, I had a lot of patience. So I've learned the art of patience. I've picked up the box from the printer about a month ago, and I really wanted to share this special moment with you. It's not every day you write a book. It's taken me 7 years to write this book, so it's all in this box, and I can't wait to open. I put my passion about business in here, my experiences about how to start a business, all in this book. Are you ready? Oh, I don't know if I am. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna open this box. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Great. Here we go. Can't get the box open. Okay. Right. Okay, here we go. There it is! Yay! Here it is, my brand new book, The Art of Analogies in Business, How to Start a Business in Layman's Terms. I cannot believe it's in a book format. It took me 7 years. It was from a piece of paper, and then I put it on the computer to the book. The book is right here, and it's in my hand, and it can be in your hand too. This book is more than just a guide. It really is a labor of love. I've put so much effort and time for it. Anyone who dreams about starting a business and don't know where to begin, this is such an easy read. I made it easy with 32 chapters of analogies. Starting a business is like building a house. So you need framework, that's your business plan, an address, which is a trademark. So here it is. I'm so proud of how it's turned out. It's crazy that I've written a book, and it's all in this copy now. It's in this book. So I can't wait for you to read this book, and I'll be sharing more updates on my author page. If you haven't subscribed to the newsletter, please subscribe to the newsletter. Go to my website, www.thebusinessmission.com, where you can subscribe. And your encouragement, everybody that supported me during this journey of writing this book, I'm really grateful and thankful for your support. The Art of Analogies in Business, How to Start a Business in Layman's Terms, is available on my website. Head to the website, www.thebusinessmission.com, in the shop, and you can order your copy today. Okay, buy it today. It's fantastic because, in January, you might want to look at starting a business. So read it over your Christmas period. Why don't you gift yourself with it? It's a really great present for somebody starting a business or existing business, or, like I said, you might be wanting to start a business. It's all in here. It's a really easy read. Thank you so much for, watching this video and the unveiling of my book. Take care and order your copy today.